Delayed transitions are transitions that only happen after a specified interval of time. If another event happens before the end of the timer, the transition doesn't complete. Delayed transitions are handy if you want to build intervals or timeouts into your application logic. Delayed transitions are labeled after and are often referred to as after transitions, as the transition happens after a specified interval of time. In our video player, we're going from the opened full screen mode to the closed mode after the state has stopped after a period of 5 seconds. Now this little interval is used so that a user isn't surprised when the video player is stopped and suddenly closes back into a minified mode. Instead, the video player is stopped, then after a period of 5 seconds, it returns to the closed state. In order to make an event into an after transition, you can either right-click on that event and from the Quick Actions menu, using the event type, choose after, or with the event selected, you can open the Transitions Details panel and from the Trigger option, choose after from the drop-down menu.